After the freebie upload, it was so popular that I did of this little box so you could cut your own out without having to have a Cricut or anything, that I thought, well, I'll do some more. And these, again, all going to be free for you to download. And you just need to go onto my website, into the resource hub, and then you can download them free. And they make some great shapes. And they're really easy to use, and I'll show you what they all look like at the end, but I'll show you how easy they are to make. So I'm going to do this triangular pyramid one. Now, I've printed them out on yellow card because that is the easiest colour for me to be able to see and for you to be able to see, and also this colour card. I'm not sure what that is. So you can cut these out using a pair of scissors, or if you want to, you can cut them out using a sharp blade like I am here. And I'm using a ruler because, to be perfectly honest, that way I can get nice straight lines. And then once you've got them cut out, all you need to do is fold down the lines, and they're pretty easy to work out where they are. You can use a bone folder for this, or like me, I'm just pushing against the side of this ruler. Now I want that black to be on the inside of this, so that's why I folded it twice, and I just find that that gives a really nice, neat edge. So now we've got that all cut out, it's really easy to stick together. Now what you can use is you can use one of these little tape guns and put some tape on it, on each one of the tabs that you're going to use. Stick it together, and then you fold that over, line that up with that one like that. Give it a bit of a push down. Fold those two into each other, and this is a square based pyramid, but I've also done one that's a triangle based pyramid. So now you've got a nice box shape, and remember, if you want to keep it as a box, what you can do is you can leave one of these tabs not stuck down, put stuff in it, and then do that. But I think that works out really, really well. Really simple to make and use, and again, these are free. So that's the triangle based pyramid. Sorry, I was wrong, not the square based. And there are some that are a little bit more complex, and they're all named what they are on them as well. And again, like I said, they're free. You can resize them as much as you want and use them as much as you like as well. So this one's slightly different. This one makes a cone, and I'll show you how to do that one. I'll just quickly cut it out, and then I'll show you how to put it together. Now, where any of them are joined like this here, that means you don't cut through there. All you need to do is cut up to that, because that's the part that's going to stay connected for you and make it easier for you to build these. For instance, I've gone to there, I'm going to there, and that's my first tab. So you've got that bit still connected there, because that is where you're going to connect it onto this bit that makes the actual cone. Like that. Can you see it's still connected there? Now, if you don't want to cut these out by hand and you want to cut them out on your Cricut, the free file that I've got that I'm giving away is you can absolutely upload it without any problems to your Cricut and get your Cricut to cut it out. But if you don't have a Cricut, then you can do them by hand. And if you're doing them on the Cricut, just make sure the actual picture is locked when you resize it, and that way everything will resize together and you won't have to worry about whether you've got one bit the wrong size or not. There's the cone, and that's what the cone looks like finished. So these are all the shapes finished, and they don't take long to make, and they're really useful. For instance, you could put that on there. You could start making towers and different bits and pieces, ornaments, boxes for gifts and things like that. Scale them up, scale them down, all free of charge. And if you check out my resources hub on my website, then you can download them and you can upload them to your Cricut, get your Cricut to cut them out, or cut them out by hand. As I develop more of a range, I'll add more to it as well. Hope you enjoy this free giveaway. Enjoy your boxes. Boot the like button, hit the subscribe button, and the link where you can get all this free of charge is in the description below. Take care. Enjoy your crafting. Bye.